who's this?
It's me and Giovanni on the track for little brother. I mean, medium brother. Medium brother. Medium brother.
We miss you, bro.
It's you.
We ain't forget about you. We ain't forget about you.
We're gonna do a good dance for you, like this. That's what you like, right? Something, we're going hard. Make you feel like something.
Let me go first. My name is Giovanni, and I like to party. Go to all the clubs, baby. When I get out to Texas, I'm going with you. Matter of fact, I'll go with your whole fucking crew.
My name is Jess. I love you the best. Yeah. I think we're supposed to say nah, close your face, but you held that for years. My little nigga, you held that with all the stigmas that came with quiz. Yeah, you heard together. You were like, fuck these niggas that think just sticking in the ass, sticking in the ass. You love the ass, you love the ass. Just kidding. But I think you kinda do because we had to talk. I don't know. I still love you, bro. You're the only one that already knows.
Yo, we're family to the fucking end. I wish you was right here.
You like this, right? Just give me love.
I wish you was right here. We don't bring no fear. Oh, we don't bring no fear. Just a fan.
Yeah, right? Oh, I mean, Juju bear, up in the air, Juju bear. Yeah, he goes oh, you like it in tone? There you go. You get it in your fucking face. We love you,
bro. Julian Barrios the second, not the first. She's a bitch.
Fuck the first.
Hey, I keep the second. We like the third.
You with every emotion we face.
And remember, you're never a disgrace.
Except you used to fuck your money up all the time in the place in Texas. But that's okay, we love you anyway. Yeah, we love you. Eric, Juju, Eric, yeah. We love you, we wish you were here.
Wait, time out. Let's get to the serious. We're so proud of you. You got your own spot, fuck that bitch ass nigga Julian.
And you realize that you are a mechanic. You're an awesome mechanic. You actually are probably the best mechanic in the whole entire world.
So, now that you're on your own, we got your back.
Yep.
That bitch ass nigga who wants to say some shit, I know you have some dirt on him. We'll be your back witnesses. We have you to the end. We'll make fucking about $100 because that's all that bitch ass nigga.
She doesn't know how to make dinner.
And now he's married to a fucking stripper. Name.
Fuck that bitch. And the kid looks just like him, but he still denies his grace and his integrity. But we still know you were there for me and him and us. You are our good. You are our good.
Brother.